Hi everyone, this is Arad from English for Everyone, and today in this video we're going to talk about the verbs am, is and are. As you can see them over here, am, is and are. Okay, am, is and are the three forms of the verb to be in present. Okay, when we are talking about present, not past, not future, when we are talking about present, the verb to be turns to these three, am, is and are. We use these verbs when we talk about what we are. When we are talking about our existence, okay, we're not talking about things that we do. Lots of my students use these verbs with the verbs that require an action, okay? They mix them, they put them together. For example, the person says, I went there, I did this and that, and then I am come to class. Oh no, we can't say I am come. If you say I am, then talk about your age or other things. If you're talking about something that you did, an action, then that's not you, okay? You are not the verb, okay? You are something different. I'll explain a bit more. So, if we are talking about our age, or one's age, gender, origin, religion, job, or what else? Did I say job? Yeah, I did. Job, religion, and marital status, okay? For if one is single or married. Or a place that one is at the moment. For example, I am in England. Okay, I say I am. Okay, so when we're talking about gender, age, religion, origin, or nationality, and these kind of things, then we use the verb to be. Okay, but before getting there, before going to examples, let's make one more thing clear, and that is that am, is, and are. These three can't be used with each and any subject, okay? So, for example, when the subject is I, we just use am, okay? So, I takes am, nothing else. We can't say I is, I are, no, just forget it. I am, okay, so am, the subject, I am, nothing else. And then is used, the verb is used with he, she, or it, okay? And then you plural, you single, and we and they, you, we, they. These three go with are. You are, they are, we are. You are, they are, we are. I am, he is, she is, it is. So these are the way we use them, okay, when talking about subjects. Okay, so that is clear. Now, why do we use them? To talk about one's age. For example, she is 12, or she is 12 years old. To talk about marital status, she is single, she is married. To talk about one's nationality, they are Chinese. They are Chinese. Okay, to talk about one's job. But bear in mind, keep in mind that when we talk about one's job, one's religion, and one's gender, we use a before we need to add a, okay? So I say she is 12, but I say she is a teacher. So don't forget that a, okay? So because it's their job, okay? When we are talking about one job, you are a student, okay? You are a teacher, you are a doctor. Teacher, doctor, these are the job titles, so we need a before them, okay? So jobs, one of them. Religion, okay? He is a Christian, okay? He is a Christian. She is a Muslim. So we need a before that, okay? So job, religion, what else? One's gender. For example, Sue is a girl, okay? Sue is a girl, Okay, so we use these verbs when we are talking about these different topics, as you can see them over here. So these are, I know these examples were very simple. So in the next video I'm going to give you some more examples, a bit more advanced, let's say. And in the next video I'm going to change them into negative, and also make some questions about those statements that we make. Okay, so how to make questions, how to change them to negative sentences, and also how to answer to questions that we have made. That's what I'm going to talk about in the next video. So I'll see you in the next video.